Nick Caballero, and Colin Sacoe. Jobs. Sorry. Coach Jobs, congratulations for this victory. So it's a moral boosting one, especially that you still have top games ahead. So ano man sabi mo sa pinakita ng team to bounce back from four straight losses? Okay.
First of all, nagpapasalamat lang ako dun sa mga true Tomasya na who supported us during the tough stretch ng puro losing streak namin. Parang bagyo na hindi na maintindihan ko anong nag-hit. But to the kila Boss na nagtiwala sa amin. So credit lang din sa mga players namin na through adversity, they stick together. Kahit na mahirap, but they still naniwala sila sa isa't isa.
Thank you. First to Collins, he had 16 points, 16 rebounds, 1 block, 1 assist. So it's a very important win for you guys, especially that you're trying to remain in the Final Four race. So what can you say about your team's effort to bounce back after those 4 straight defeats?
First off, it's a good win. It's I'll call this a momentum boost for us going into our other games, and I'll give credit to my teammates and my coaches. Through the tough times, we stayed together in one unity, and kudos to everyone for showing up today and doing our thing. Hopefully, we're going to come up in the other games, and do our thing. That's it.
Thank you. To Nick, you have 19 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and last 6. So you're not being the leader of the team. So paano nilala yung team, especially itong dinaanan yung 4-game losing streak para makabalik kayo sa Final Four race?
Ano lang talaga, yung ginagawa namin as a team, nag-usap-usap kami from coaches, players, tapos tulungan lang kami kung ano yung need pa i-improve sa amin. Malaking bagay kasi yun sa amin kasi yung pagiging basketball player, hindi lang puro physical. Meron talagang mentally, dapat mentally ready and tough ka talaga, and also yung spiritual, dapat di rin mawala yung tiwala mo sa Cornelius.
Thank you. Okay,
Paniniwala, yung tiwala nyo sa team. Kanina lamang na ng 27, pero can you just share us kung ano yung napag-uusapan ninyo ng team, especially with that big rally na parang reminiscent ng slump ninyo? How did the team, in a way, come together to pull out this win, and especially moving forward with remaining games na that season?
We need to be ready from first month to 16th month. Isa din yung ego. It's not about me, Nick Caballero, it's not about Colin Sacoe. It's not Portsky Panligaw, but parang, we have a respect on one another. Even sa mga coaches din, that's how they mold us. That's how they believe in us na yun nga, mentally tough talaga yung nangyari sa amin for game losing streak. Pero we still believe that we can. And sa lahat ng chances and opportunity, we just need to make sure that we will grab the opportunity.